wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on.
Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are at the botanical garden. So let's see. It's hot.
Man, it feels great out here.
It's hot.
Go ahead and get that vitamin from the sun. It looks really nice out here, y'all. Real nice. Got a whole mansion.
Does this not look like a big aloe plant? Is it like a naturally growing aloe plant in the wild?
Kind of looks like it.
Yo. Those are some weird statues.
Saints. I can use my wide view angle.
Let's go by the sunflowers.
So that's one little.
Oh, it's two.
Or two of them.
They're bunnies. Oh no, there's some more.
They said it should be about 38 of them.
It's like they call them Easter eggs, but I don't think that's what this would be. You know. Bunny. I don't know. Would you call those sunflowers? Because they're not very large. Maybe they're just babies.
Yeah, I'm sure they'll have plenty of time to grow.
I don't think these are sunflowers though. Maybe they are. I don't know. But there's bees over here, so I don't want to be up here too long.
It'll be okay.
Yeah. Y'all, it's like so hot, and Tion knows I'm not built for the outside. Like the sun attracts to me. Like I'm gonna have a sunburn by the end of the day. I didn't put no sunscreen on, so it's partially my fault, but you know, I don't go outside much.
Well, that's gonna change.
Fine China. This is pretty. Oh shit. The marble floors. That's interesting. The green room or no? Oh, I thought to say, where the steps? And there ain't no damn steps. Hot in here. Ain't no air circulating. Oh, Lord, he got the dog in his hand. Oh, that's Andy Warhol. Oh, Lord, this is a big mansion. Did they add on stuff to it? Back here smell like when we was dissecting cats, okay? That's what it smell like. The So Indians. Imagine if
Oh, no, it's South Dakota.
imagine if they didn't mess with Indian people. Oh, there's one right there.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
I think we can go up there. Yes, we can. Why we can't? We've been refreshed. Turtle. Polar bear. It looks like a dragon.
There we go. So yeah, so far we got through at least most of the park. We just need to kind of go through wherever this is over here. But oh, it's a Japanese garden. That's nice. But yeah, I mean, we saw like a lot of you know, like more Lego sculptures. We went through the museum. It was really nice. But yeah, we just gotta go with this
But I'm
little.
hot. That's why.
Yeah, she's been complaining about being hot, which whatever. But you know, should be alright. But yeah, we almost finished, so I'm about to flip. But yeah, so we just gotta get through this little garden and whatever's around here, and we almost done.
Oh, Lord, look how many steps.
I'll be alright. Nice little pond back here too.
Are these supposed to be like Japanese trees or something?
Yeah, this is a Japanese maple. Kind of shaped
Look
like
at the
a
leaves.
yeah. I was gonna say kind of shaped like a marijuana plant. Shouldn't go ahead and take a few of these back home with me. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, this is nice. I guess that's a little bird house, or it's a little nest in there. I'm trying to get closer up to this pond here. Down there. But here's the other pond that they got down here. And got this little walkway. Ooh, what's this back here? Yeah, you got some bamboo back here. Hey, turn around. I want to take a picture real quick. I mean, it's still recording, but yeah, it's nice right here. Turn around, turn around. Hey, you being recorded. Let me get just a little bit more zoomed in. There we go. Boom. All right. That's good, that's good. Yeah, now I'm in the video.
Are you looking? Yeah. I'm trying to take a picture.
Oh, my bad. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I don't want to be Jesus.
I don't know the actual words, but keep it up. Naruto fans, where you at?
Oh, she trying to sing that one song on Naruto Shippuden. Damn, these bamboo long as hell, or tall as hell. Yeah, this is a lot of bamboo back here. This is a ginkgo. It's actually, I guess, some kind of tree from China. Let me zoom in. There you go. Yeah, this tree actually smells pretty good. As weird as that sound. Go for this. Man, this is nice. Let me zoom into that little. I guess it's a temple back there. Go up there. Y'all see that? The lady trying to crawl under there to get out.